This complete guide will walk you through how to start making money in affiliate marketing, with online marketing tips and tricks to help you earn more money. Before getting started with affiliate marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more money-making content. The affiliate partner is rewarded a payout for providing a specific result to the retailer or advertiser. Most affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. The affiliate earns a commission each time someone makes a purchase, the unique affiliate links associated with their recommendation. The customer makes a purchase in Store Z. The purchase is confirmed by Store Z. There are also affiliate marketing programs that provide a flat rate per sale instead of a percentage. For many people, being connected and immersed in the digital world is just a part of everyday life.